Hey everyone, Spencer here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a booster box of, was it Rise of the Floodborn? This is the second set from Lorcana. So gonna chase some more Enchanted cards. It's been a while. Let's see. Scissors. Totally forgot that there was tape on the side. So yeah, how are you guys doing on opening packs or collecting cards? So far on Lorcana, I've opened, I don't know how many, 100 packs, 400 or 500, probably more, and I've gotten 4 Enchanted cards so far, but it's 3 from Rise of the Floodborn, and I was able to get 2 from actually the newest set, Into the Inklands, but I didn't have a chance to record those videos. So yeah, let's try to get some more Enchanted cards. I'm gonna open up a full booster box here. There should be 24 in total, so this is 8 in each pack. All right, so we'll start off with Beast. So I have a lot of product to go through, so I'm going to try to just read through these real quick. Lady Tremaine, Gaston, Hercules, Nick Wilde, You Can Fly, Pick a Fight, Panic Tactics, Gruesome and Grim, Merlin as our cold foil. Okay, let's leave all of our cold foils. Hopefully you can get another Enchanted card. Okay, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red. Okay, Dr. Facilier, Minnie Mouse, Panic, Jafar, Ring the Bell, Fang Crossbow, Nana, Madame Mim, Prince Charming, and our cold foil Peter Pan's Dagger. All right. Is anybody completing master sets for, I guess, any of the Lorcana sets? I've seen some people actually complete a play set, master set of each set, which is pretty nuts. That means a play set is having 4 copies of each card, because that's the maximum number of copies of an individual card in a competitive deck. Okay, Last Stand, Huntsman, Raya, nice, and James as our cold foil. So the collectors that have a play set, master set, they buy binders that actually go 4 across, meaning it displays 4 cards in a row across, and it's 3 rows down. So it's, yeah. So those are really cool. I don't know if I could do that. That seems like a lot of time and money. Okay. Raya, Enchantress, Benja, Daisy Duck, Launch, Fairy Godmother, Cinderella, okay. Ooh, Cinderella again. And Tiana as our cold foil. These were worth, I don't know, $20, $30 each before. But since so much product has been opened, I think these are down in the $7 to $10 range now for each of these. I think they're still really playable cards. It's just there's so much inventory out there, so much supply. Prices have dropped a lot. Okay, I'm Stuck, Tigger, Donald Duck, Jafar, Binding Contract, Minnie Mouse, Lawrence, Radigan's Marvelous Trap, Dr. Facilier, super rare, and Pinocchio as our cold foil. Let's see, is that lighting better? On, I guess, has anybody opened up the new set Into the Inklands? Because there was some speculation, and I think it was kind of confirmed by Ravensburger that there are batches of booster boxes that actually have little to no hits in them. So I saw somebody post a photo online, I think it was on Facebook, that in their booster box case, which I'm assuming is 4 booster boxes, they only pulled like 4 legendary. No, is it 4 legendary? Yeah, 4 legendary cards. And that's a very low rate of pulling any kind of decent value card or even playable card. I mean, there are boxes that you can pull 6 or 7 legendaries, and I've done that. I mean, even though this is a chance of pulling a really good card, it's just ooh, here we go. Bell, Hidden Archer, and Judy Hopps. So I think this was also like a $20 or $30 card. Yeah, so Ravensburger actually confirmed that there were some batches of booster box cases that had really low pull rates, and I don't know if they are gonna do anything about correcting that, or if that's just, you know, just to let everybody know that there are boxes there that have like little to no hits in any of the packs. Ooh, Scar, Vicious Cheater, Namari, Morning Mist, and the Queen. See, you know, right there, in 2 packs we got 3 legendary cards. This is a different set. This is Floodborn. This is the second set. Into the Inklands is the 3rd set from the series. Okay, Nothing to Hide, Eudora, Cusco, What Did You Call Me, Improvise, Cinderella, Ring the Bell, Hey Hey, my favorite character, Rapunzel, Perplexing Signpost, Arthur is our super rare, and Benja. Okay. I don't know if Lorcana is still going as strong. I haven't seen many posts online, but I haven't been following that much. Usually it's something amazing or crazy happens, I would see it all over social media, but I haven't noticed anything since the release week of the newest set, Into the Inklands. Lumiere, nice, Fairy Godmother, another legendary. Okay. Are we halfway through? No, not even halfway through yet. Cool. Okay, Gaston, Sneezy, Jiminy Cricket, Boone, Rana, Benja, Bashful, Queen of Hearts, Robin Hood, World's Greatest Criminal Minds, Winnie the Pooh, and Chief Bogo. Okay, Basil, Snow White, Winnie the Pooh, Felicia, Queen of Hearts, Donald Duck, Bounce, Hey Hey, Dopey, Chief Bogo, Grand Pabby, and Lucifer. James, Eudora, Croquet Mallet, Fidget, Flynn Rider, Tiana, Launch, Raya, Eli LaBouffe, Lucifer, Noi, and I think she was like a $5 card. I don't know if she still is. Okay, Flynn Rider as our cold foil. Have you guys still been able to find any Lorcana products in store anywhere? Okay, The Knock, Snow White, Elsa, Lady Tremaine, Verona, Prince Naveen, Belle, Nick Wilde, Pinocchio, Strength of a Raging Fire, King Louis, and Dinner Bell. Yeah, I've seen like maybe some starter decks on shelves now, but only a Rise of the Floodborn. I haven't seen any of the first chapter or any from the newest set Into the Inklands on shelves yet. Okay, Cruella de Vil, Sleepy, Merlin, Go the Distance, Ratigan, Cinderella, Cheshire Cat, 4 Dozen Eggs, Snow White, The Sorcerer's Spellbook, Peter Pan's Shadow, and Dopey as our cold foil. That's a rare card. Okay, we got what, 9 more packs? So we are more than halfway through. Okay, Mulan, Free Spirit, Chipped Mulan, Arthur, Tiana, Nana, You Can Fly, Eli LaBeouf, Little John, Merlin, and Bounce. Okay, it's Jasmine, Happy, Jiminy Cricket, Mulan, Donald Duck, Last Cannon, Donald Duck again, Sardine Can, Rapunzel, Madame Mim, Namari, and Raya as our cold foil. Okay, Namari, I don't know if this card is worth anything now. I knew this one was selling for like $5 each. Now they're probably down to about $2, under $2. Okay, Gumbo Pot, the Queen, Chip the Teacup, Baloo, Improvise, Hercules, Blue Fairy. Whoa. Sword in the Stone, Pacha, Tuk Tuk, Goofy, and Croquet Mallet. Nice, we're down to our last 6 packs. Alright, Basil, Hold Still, Elsa, Tigger, Hypnotize, Beast, Madame Mim, Most Diabolical Scheme, Jafar, Dragon Gem, Ratigan, and Basil is our cold foil. Basil, Rapunzel, Dr. Facilier, Fidget, Panic, Donald Duck, Bounce, Pinocchio, Dopey, Mulan, ooh, Basil. Those are super rare. And Fidget as our cold foil. And I need some more sleeves. Okay. Let's see. Alright, here's the Knock, Rapunzel, Cusco, Peter Pan's Dagger, Enchantress, Charge, Tiana, oops, Merlin, Doc, Sleepy's Flute, Prince John, and another Basil. Wow. Alright, last 3 packs. James, the Queen, Croquet Mallet, Peter Pan's Dagger, Flynn Rider, Charge, Judy Hopps, Raya, Jafar, Gaston, Teeth and Ambition, and Panic. Okay. Okay, Duke Weaselton, Mulan, Legend of the Sword, Raya, Ray, Magic Broom, Judy Hopps, Card Soldiers, Li Shang, Mickey Mouse, Tiana, and Tiana. And whoa. There's that. Panic. And here is our last pack. Hoping for that last pack magic. As always. Sorry, it's a total mess. Okay. Here we go. Queen of Hearts. Okay, Rabbit, Piglet, Merlin, Boone, Arthur, Magic Broom, Belle, Fairy Godmother, Zero to Hero, Kronk, Alice, nice, and Grumpy. That's not bad. Alice is, I think it got up to like a $40 card when it first came out. I'm not sure what it is right now, but it's up there. Okay, so let's put these away. Okay, we'll go over all of the hits right now. So I have a box right here next to me. I'm trying to put all the cards into. All right. And let's go. These are all the non-foil hits. So I have Alice, Mickey Mouse, Tiana, Basil, Namari, King Louie, Fairy Godmother, Arthur, Scar, Namari, Belle, Dr. Facilier, Cinderella, and Raya. These are all the non-foil, non-cold foil cards. And these are all the cold foil ones. Scrumpy, Panic, Tiana, Basil, Fidget, Basil, Croquet Mallet, Raya, Bounce, Peter Pan's Shadow, Dopey, Dinner Bell, Flynn Rider, Grand Pabby, okay, Lucifer, Chief Bogo, Dr. Facilier, Benja, the Queen, Judy Hopps, Eli LaBeouf, Pinocchio, Tiana, James, Peter Pan's Dagger, and Merlin. So we only got 4 super rare. Oh, this is non-foil. Non-foil. Oh, so 2. So we got 2 non-foil super rares. So yeah, these are all of our hits for today. If you guys are interested in picking any up, I will have them all listed on TCG Player, I guess, by the time you guys see this video. All the information for where these are all going to be listed and all my socials will be in the description below. All right, I think that'll be it for today. Thanks for stopping by. I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys.